Hello, students. We were reading chapter 5 of our Rajasthan pre independence form of government. Now we will do its question answers. Let's start with first question. To give wages to military and other army related responsibility was सेना को वेतन देने तथा सेना संबंधी अन्य कार्यों की जिम्मेदारी होती थी. So its correct answer is Bakshi. Bakshi. Second, Rajasthan's first elected chief minister was. So its correct answer is Tikaram Paliwal. Next, match the following. Column A, column B. Village, state's smallest unit. Mansabdari, administrative system of Mughal era. Third one, state lease, a letter in which the state given by the ruler was mentioned. वह पत्र जिसमें शासक द्वारा प्रदान की गई जागीर का उल्लेख होता था. Very short answer type questions. First question, describe the duties of subdivisional Pargana officer. The main duty of subdivisional officer was to maintain peace in the subdivision of the state. Second, descendants of which dynasties ruled the princely states of Rajasthan. राजस्थान की रियासतों में कौन कौन से वंश के राजा राज करते थे. Answer to this question lies on the first page of this chapter. Rulers of Sisodia, Rathore, Kachwaha and Chauhan dynasties etc. ruled at several princely states of Rajasthan. Okay. Next part is short answer type questions. First, explain the form of Jagirdari system. The answer to this question lies under Jagirdari system at page number 24, second page of this chapter. You should write just 1 minute. Its answer lies at page number 25, form of Jagirdari system. I can read it for you. In Rajasthan, it was blood relation based endogamous kin arrangements. King appointed feudal lords on important administrative posts. Third, relationship of kings and Jagirdar was not of master or servant relationship, rather it was based on brotherhood and harmony. Okay, next one. Name the administrative transformation happened in Rajasthan during British era. So the answer lies under the heading Rule of British at last page of this chapter. I can read it for you. With the establishment of British rule, administratively India was divided into two parts. First, British India and second, Princely States India. India of British era was made of union territories and 11 provinces. Every province had different governors who were responsible to India's Governor General. Rule of East India Company ended after 1857 revolution. Administration of India then came under the direct control of British Crown and Parliament. Lord Canning was appointed Governor General along with India's first Viceroy. British government governed India by passing many acts. Indian Government Act 1935, which was regulated on 1st April 1937, brought the changes in Ajmer Merwada administration. Now this was brought under Indian government's home department instead of foreign and political departments. The main effect of its coming under home department was that the laws of this region were made by federal executive, not by governor. The process of unification of Rajasthan started after independence. Okay, students. Now the last question of this chapter is essay type questions. Write an essay on pre-independence जागीरदारी सिस्टम ऑफ राजस्थान. स्वतंत्रता से पूर्व राजस्थान की जागीरदारी व्यवस्था पर एक लेख लिखिए. तो बच्चों इसका जो उत्तर है वो पेज नंबर 24 एंड 25 पे दिया हुआ है अंडर 3 हेडिंग्स. First one is Jagirdari system, second beginning of Jagirdari system, third form of Jagirdari system, and fourth transformation in the form of medieval Jagirdari system. आप इन चारों पैराग्राफ में से अपना उत्तर लिख सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक्स.